I've received an invite to a drift day here in Spain, and looks like I'll better get the weapon ready. Standing here doing nothing. Not sure if you can see all of the webs. Obviously gonna need a bucket seat in it. There's an indicator. I think that it's a bit loose. It's got kind of flat tires. Let's see, is there any juice in the battery? That's the question. After a thorough inspection, there were quite few things obvious that needed to be done. Well, first of all, oil and filter, as always, plus the diff oil and the gearbox oil. The steering wheel is a little bit loose, coolant leak around the rod. The car definitely needs a clean. It does need a spanner check. The battery is insecure. Put back my duckling tow hook, fresh brake fluid. Spec-wise, it's a 323 with a extensively modified engine, and by that I mean there's a cone filter stuck on it, there's a hydro, there's a welded diff, there's eBay special coilovers, Wizards of Luck modified knuckles. Damn, it's good. Definitely a recommendation there. Apart from his knuckles, I'm running as well 4mm spacers on the steering rack. The bonnet hinges are bent. At the end of 2017 I had a bit of a crash. I've spun out and a mate of mine went full on sideways into me. The car is quite basic, we can say. It's not even fully stripped weight-wise. I used to use it on the street. I used to do miles in it, going to work and stuff. And on the weekends or whenever, just hit the track and have fun. The weapon hasn't been really used in the last 2.5 years, but there's an opportunity to go out on the track and have some fun, so why not take it? If you want to see more of those episodes, let me know. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to help the channel. See you on the next video.